Okay, number 7. It's a percent of increase problem. Well, what is the percent of increase? I'll be honest, if you're sitting watching this and listening to me go over these questions, I don't know the formula to this problem. And I'm not going to use the formula. So let me do what I'm going to do. I want to use 5th and some 6th grade math on this one. And I'm going to use a strip diagram. So I know one thing. I'm going from $12 an hour to $15 an hour. All right, what kind of percent increase is this? All right, that's what we're looking for. And so I know one thing. I make $12 an hour. Okay, so I make $12, right? Is 100% of my hourly pay. So I'm gonna put 100 here. And I'm going to what? $15 per hour, right? So 12% is 100% of what I make. Where does the extra $3 land? Right? So where am I here now? Okay, so that's really what I'm looking for. And so I know one thing then, right, is I can cut this into percentages that work for me. I can say, you know what? Let's say I cut this into 4 parts, right? Well, that's 25%, right? 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. And the reason I'm using that is because I know if I cut this guy into those 4 equal parts as well, each one of these is my $3 that I'm making. So I know that every $3 is 25% of what I'm making. Does that make sense? If I make $12 an hour, let me put it this way. If in 1 hour, this is hour, in 1 hour I'm making $12, then I know that for every 1/4 of that hour, it's only $3. So I know half of my hour is $6. Get it? So every 1/4 of my hour is $3. And another 1/4 is another $3, and so on. Well, now I'm adding an extra $3 to that, so I'm adding an extra 25% to what I'm used to making. And so that's my answer, by the way, it's 25%. So that's how I did this one. I drew it out and said, okay, where we're at, and it's I make $3 for every 25% of my 100% that I make. I'm adding another $3, right? Because the 12 plus the 3 is that 15. So I'm increasing it by 25%. And that's it. That's I guess we can check it. So what would be then 12 times 25% is really 12 times 1/4. What's 1/4 of 12? $3. Or was that $3 extra to give me that 15? And there it is. Easy stuff.